Well, we like to think that we can provide just about everything for the home or business, uh, which would include everything for the floor coverings to the wall coverings to the windows, and of course all the furnishings that go into the home for any room in the home.
Well, I think one of the biggest things is the vision. You know, to be able to, I think most of us here can see a space and visualize it quite easily. I don't think that that's something that a lot of people can do. You know, from a simple small window treatment, I can look at a blank window and visualize easily quite a few different options, you know, for that space, or space planning the same way. I know that it's very difficult if you're not in the industry or you're not very visual to be able to put together a space that's you know, functional, but yet it's also a comfortable space that you want to be in. And I think that that's a big quality that either you have it or you don't. And I think a lot of people really don't. They need that. I mean, they need to be led in a direction. They can, and some people will hold more of that inside as far as they don't really know what they want. I like this finish, I like this table, but what do I do? So it's really guiding them through the process.
So I usually go to their home first if it's a residential project and discuss the space there first. I prefer to do it that way so we know what we're working with, and then once we decide on if we're doing the whole house or part of the house or what room and specifically we're doing, then I will usually go back and draw up some ideas, and then they will meet me back at the studio at a later date. At that point, I'll just start discovering their likes and dislikes. Usually, I'll know a little bit about that ahead of time, and then we'll go from there. Like you said, I think some of my colleagues have already said it's kind of a process depending on the project.
But an interior design job, I like to go to the house, as you can't really do anything until you've been out to the house to see it. Occasionally, I work on projects that are not in town, and then I see photographs, and I need floor plans because I need the space sizes of everything. Because the first thing I do is work on quarter-inch scale, decide the spacing that they have and what would fit, and then I get into the what they like and the styles they like and the colors they like, all that sort of thing. But the first thing I do is usually draw up the floor plan that I think would be best for that room, so you can move around easily and not get hung up on pieces of furniture, and it's a gracious feeling to the room.